Welcome back to the Nightcap tonight. It's a cold evening. We're going to have ourselves a cold beverage in the form of a cold fashion. So that's going to be 1 ounce of Mr. Black Coffee Liqueur, 1 ounce of the RD1 rye bourbon, which has a little spice in it with that Brazilian wood finish. So that will go good with the coffee. And then just 2 dashes of the orange bitter. So we're going to go ahead and get this going. So we're going to start out with 2 dashes of the Angostura orange bitter. So pop, pop, pow, pow. After that, we're going to go with 1 ounce of the Mr. Black Coffee Liqueur. So we'll go ahead and pour that in for a good measure. And put that in the glass right there. And after that, we're going to go with another 1 ounce, this time instead of the RD1. So we'll get 1 ounce measured in here. Pour that down. And just a couple more steps and we'll get y'all out of here with another better than average drink in less than average time. So we'll put the ice cube in and we're just going to give this a stir. Give this a good little stir. Get it nice and cold. Again, gotta get it cold if the word cold is in the name of the drink. There we go. Ice is all stirred. And now we'll finish with just a little orange peel. She's a Butte Clark. Cheers.